Stop struggling with DIY projects and tool up to the DeWalt 20V Max DCD771C2. Its easy-to-use, compact, lightweight design fits into tight areas, and with 96% positive ratings from 10K plus customers just like you, the DeWalt 20V Max DCD771C2 is the DIY champion's choice. If that old drill is holding you back, then upgrade your toolkit with the DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Drill Driver Kit and tackle any project with ease. The DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Drill Driver Kit DCD771C2 is your reliable and trouble-free partner for home repairs, remodeling, and DIY projects. This compact and powerful drill is designed to make your work easier and more efficient. This kit includes two 20V Max batteries and a charger, so you'll always have power when you need it. Plus, the durable storage bag keeps everything organized and ready to go. The compact, lightweight design allows you to work in tight spaces without fatigue. The high-performance motor delivers ample power for applications around your home and shop. With its 2-speed transmission from 450 to 1,500 revolutions per minute, you can easily adjust the speed for different drilling and fastening tasks. The 1/2 inches single sleeve ratcheting chuck ensures a tight grip on your bits. DIYers rave about the drill's reliability and power, with one home user using it for years, dismantling and reassembling furniture with ease. With its excellent battery life and ease of use, you'll appreciate its quality, value, and the convenience of having two batteries. This drill is perfect for DIYers, construction workers, homeowners, and woodworkers. Its compact size, powerful motor, and long battery life make it a versatile tool for any job. Whether you're tackling home repairs or building a new project, the DeWalt 20V Max Drill Driver Kit will help you get the job done right. It's currently available on Amazon with fast delivery, so click the link below to check out the price. Ready to experience the power and convenience of the DeWalt 20V Max Drill Driver Kit? Click the link in the description to check it out on Amazon and take your projects to the next level. Don't miss out on this essential tool for any DIY enthusiast or professional.